Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by to watch another episode here at All I See Is W. Today, I wanted to share with you one hidden gem stock in the biotech sector that I believe can have significant bull runs in the coming days, weeks, and months to come. Now, I'll share with you why I have high conviction in this company stock, and from a technical and fundamental standpoint, I'll share with you my rationale for why I have high conviction. Now, anytime when you do consider making an investment, please always make sure to do your research and take my information as guidance to your investment strategy. Let's begin. Now, the company I wanted to talk to you about is a company called Skye Bioscience. In fact, the company had just released press release today that one of its drug product as well as a modified drug has been released in a peer-reviewed journal, the International Journal of Pharmaceutics Reports, and it has shown that the company's drug product called SBI 100 formulated as a nanoemulsion containing mucoadhesive agent carbopol 940, it has demonstrated much better results than its current drug. So with this derivative of adding this agent carbopol, it has shown to provide much better results when it comes to reducing intraocular pressure as well as having longer duration effects. And in fact, this study was actually done on New Zealand white rabbits where the reduction in intraocular pressure did way much better than the current available drugs such as latanoprost and timolol. So this is huge news showing how this drug product called the THC VHS NEC formulated with this material, it has shown to reduce intraocular pressure at a level that's not seen before. And this is quite promising, right? As well as also providing way better results when it comes to duration effects compared to latanoprost. In fact, it has shown that it's doubled its effects over a larger time scale when it comes to minutes. So this is looking very promising. As you can see with its drug product, it's actually reducing IOP levels at a level of 480 minutes compared to latanoprost, which lowers IOP at a 10% below baseline for only 360 minutes. What is this data telling us, right? Well, there's potential that with this drug product, the THC VHS SBI 100 nanoemulsion, it can be a new paradigm shift where glaucoma patients can take this drug product with just 1 or 2 drops per day. And that's going to be huge because it provides a convenience aspect, not only with providing lower IOP levels, but to the point where you don't have to frequently use the product. And that's going to be valuable for glaucoma patients because they want to find not only the drug that provides the most safe and efficacious drug product, but also a drug product that they use on a daily basis on a 1-2 time occurrence type of thing versus applying it every hour, which latanoprost and timolol is based on its current portfolio. So this is huge news for the company with Skye Bioscience, right? And what does this mean, right? This is huge because Skye, from my perspective, is changing the trajectory. They're beginning to get momentum on their side, gaining the confidence from shareholders as well as having phase 1 human clinical trials start in this quarter alone. So we only have several weeks left before the end of Q2. So I'm thinking in May timeframe we shall hear the entry into first in human clinical trials with its clinical investigator in the Australian region monitoring healthy patients as well as patients with high intraocular pressure, hypertension, to see the impact of what the SBI 100 nanoemulsion can do. And this is just great news, right? Even though we've seen how Skye was not able to enter human clinical trials last year. The benefit is that while holding off on that, it gave them the opportunity to improve their drug product to make it more robust when it comes to providing lower IOP results, providing a longer duration effect, and potentially having a reduced frequency of having to use the drug product once it goes live commercially approved by health authorities. So this is huge news. And from a technical standpoint, let me just share with you the actual share price here. We're looking at a 2-year range. We're seeing an upward trajectory here, right? I mean, this was hovering at the low 3 cents and it's up in the 5-cent range. In fact, today it broke out, opening close to about 6 cents, right? 0.0595. It ended today close to about 0.054. So this is great. We're seeing a positive trajectory here. And back in 2020 December, it was at the 3, and then it started running up to about 25-26 cents. The question is, can it start catapulting up? We know the potential of this company because it's been bleeding out for many months now. It's been a long time, and we're beginning to see the upward trajectory, especially with the timelines that Skye will be announcing very soon. And with this new news, I believe that its results on the rabbit studies is looking very promising, and for those reasons we're going to see this catapult back up to its prior resistance, getting back up to the 25-cent range. And then once data is available towards the later phase of the year, we can see a paramount shift with Skye's stock price. So let's hold out, because I believe that the momentum is in the favor of the company Skye Bioscience right now, and we see that it's uncorrelated with what actually happened today in the stock market. So that's looking very promising, and I really believe in the science of Skye Bioscience, where they're unlocking the potential of cannabinoids, and this is going to be a breakthrough science, bridging the gap between natural medicine and how we look at healthcare. So this definitely will add value. And just looking at the team here, right? I mean, with the CEO Puneet Dillon, he has experience, and he's brought on a team that he's previously worked with the skills and the knowledge to bring forward products to approval. So that's looking very promising, as well as the scientific advisory board, right? You have Eduardo Munoz, Giovanni from Italy and Spain, and then you have the clinical advisory board with Dr. Goldberg from Stanford University, as well as other members from like Mount Sinai. So lots of great reputable people on this team, in fact an all-star team, and that's why I firmly believe that Skye Bioscience is soon going to be breaking out. So that's my perspective, and if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate you hitting the like and subscribing for more related content. Thank you all.